here. Look. Did you see it? This car won't start no matter what. Do you know why? Let's go to the front. When I first saw this car, I know what went wrong. Come here. This is it. It is called the camshaft solenoid valve. I suspect it's malfunctioning. Let's take it apart and check it out. Disconnect the connector. Okay, then loosen the screws. Next, you can take it off. Oh my god, look, there's so much sludge on it. The filter has already been blocked. Let's clean it up. Okay, now that it's cleaned up, look, this is his original appearance. Next, let's install it back. Okay, now it is installed. Next, I'll get in the car and start it. See if it can be started successfully. Go. Start the car. Look, success at the first try. Try again. Look, success again. The power is very strong. The problem has been completely solved. How about it? Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn about cars every day.